guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are well and I hope you all are doing great. As promised, I said in my previous video how to pass your UK driving theory test. I said in that video that I was going to follow up with another video talking about how to get the best insurance in the UK for provisional driving license holders. And so this video, I'm going to tell you guys all about getting insurance for your car in the UK as a provisional driving license holder. It can be challenging, it can be expensive. So stick with me in this video and I will tell you all about that. So if this is the first time of checking out my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Vivian and I run What Mommy Loves. On here, I share everything that I love. And I hope you guys will enjoy all of my videos and stick around. Please do not forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. I post videos regularly and I would love to have you join the family. I passed my driving theory test and I'm yet to pass my practical test, which I have booked, and I'm currently practicing with my driving instructor. But I've got a car that I use to practice daily, because you need about 47 hours of driving practice before you can confidently go and take your practical test and pass. So that is what I've been doing lately. And the car that I use to practice my driving is the BMW GT 530D car, and it's such an impressive car, so nice. I'll share in another video all about that car in another video. I'll give you guys like a tour of the car and the kind of stuff that I've got in the car, and that kind of stuff. I know some people like car videos. I've been watching a lot of car videos lately, and yeah, I'm so happy that I've got the BMW, because it was something that we used to joke around and sing, like me, my friends, my family. We used to say, Zim Zimmer, who's got the keys to your bimmer? And I never really had a key to a bimmer before. So yeah, getting a Beamer is like, okay, now I know who's got the keys to my Beamer. I got the keys to my Beamer. Or if someone else is with the key, then yeah, that person. Anyway, before talking about the whole car video, yeah, I want to talk about insurance and how to get an insurance for a car that is not within the insurance group for provisional driving license holders. Now, the BMW car that I have, it's an automatic car, automatic transmission car. The BMW car that I have is not within the insurance group for provisional driving license holders. What I mean by this is it's not within the whole Toyota Aygo range. It's not like a Hyundai. Is it Hyundai or Hyundai? They have a way of pronouncing that name. Hyundai. Let's say Hyundai. A Hyundai i10. It's not a Ford Focus range. It's not in all of that category of, I think the range is between 1 to 20 in the insurance group. So my car is way above that. It's not within that range. So to insurance companies, that car is expensive, and I think they feel like it's something that learner drivers shouldn't be driving. So yeah, whatever it is that they judge all of that based on, my Beamer is not within that range. So yeah, at first we were looking at the popular names like Aviva, LV, all those popular car insurance companies, and none of them was giving me good prices. Like, there was even one that was like, no, sorry. So LV was like, they don't offer learner driver insurance. So I had to start looking for companies that could actually insure my car. And yeah, so I went on Money Supermarket. So let's go compare there's Money Supermarket, there's money.co.uk, like the different sites where you can compare prices of car insurance companies. And so what I did was I googled cheap car insurance for provisional license holders, that kind of wording. So I the first one that popped up was Money Supermarket. So I clicked on that one. I saw the prices that they had. I filled in all of my details. Then I saw the prices that they had, and the cheapest one was from Hastings Direct. I had to pay a down payment first, like a deposit, and then I had to pay £148 per month for 11 months to cover the whole 1 year. And I thought that was expensive because that was, looking expensive. So I thought I could get it cheaper elsewhere. I mean, I knew the car was not within the insurance range for learners, but I was confident that I should be able to get something cheaper. But there was literally nothing cheaper. Like every other thing was more expensive. So I was seeing prices like £300 per month, £500 per month, like £600 per month. So Hastings Direct was literally the cheapest one that was in the 150 range. And so, yeah, I considered taking that. But first, I said, before I commit to Hastings Direct, let me go and shop elsewhere and see what else is on the market. I went online again and I found like Day Insure, like temporary insurance for like, those insurance companies that offer 1 hour insurance, 1 week insurance, 1 month insurance, short-term insurance companies. The next one I saw was Vago Insurance. Those guys literally wasted my time. Like they made me fill in all of the information. They made me have hope like they were going to insure me. And by the time I got to the end of the whole process, they said sorry, they can't insure me, and they didn't even give me a reason why they couldn't insure me. But I knew that it was because of the car. The car was way out of learners league and all of that. So fine. And the next insurance company that I checked for was Day Insure. Day Insure made me fill all of the information, and when I got to the last process, they said they couldn't insure me. So it was really frustrating because just check out my plate number first and then just let me know that you can't insure me. Don't let me finish all the whole process, go through all the whole steps, and then you tell me at the end you can't insure me. So I found it time wasting and disappointing. And then I checked Cover. There's one called Cover. I really liked the vibe they had on their website. It was fun and trendy, but the same thing, at least those ones told me on time that they only insure cars within the insurance group 1 to 20, so I knew what to expect. So they didn't insure my vehicle as well. And I also checked Go Shorty. So Go Shorty was the same thing. They didn't insure my vehicle. There was another website that I checked that was really good. Like as soon as you put in your plate number, they will just let you know straight up that they're not insuring you. So that was good. That was not time wasted. So I was really happy with that website. So it was a challenge finding insurance companies. The only place that I was able to find insurance companies was on Money Supermarket, Go Compare, those comparison sites. I was able to, find insurance companies on there. Now, back to Hastings. I went back to Hastings because they were the cheapest I could get. They were offering me £148 per month. So I decided to commit to Hastings Direct. So yeah, I got the insurance and I paid for the first month first. And with Hastings, they're really tricky because I used Money Supermarket, and by the time my policy started, they let me know that I made some mistakes in some things that I filled, which was not true. So you have to be careful with Hastings Direct because those guys will literally want you to pay an extra £30 administration fee, and then they will tell you, oh, you made a you said so and so date, October, but then on their on their system it says July. So yeah, Hastings Direct, I really found that really fishy, that they were saying I made mistake, because when you're looking for insurance, you put in all the right details and then you cross check. But by the time they called me and everything and we spoke about it, they said I made some mistakes, and for them to edit those mistakes, they're going to charge me £30. £30 on top of the whole £148. So the amount was just adding up. It was adding up. So anyway, so with Hastings Direct, they would send you this. There's this kind of device that they will send to you, and you have to attach it to your vehicle, and then you download the app, the Hastings Direct app, and they just get all of the details of your driving on that machine and stuff like that. So I hadn't gotten that device yet, so they just cancelled my policy. Why? Because according to them, I hadn't downloaded the app and connected it with the device, and so because of that, they couldn't trust me that I was a good driver, so they cancelled the policy. So I had to ring them up again and tell them that, listen, I don't have this device yet, and I have the app, but I don't have the device, so there's no way it's going to link up. So anyway, they reinstated the policy. They charged an extra 50 quid for all of this as admin fee, and it was just very stressful, like going back and forth, calling them up, chasing this whole insurance thing. And sometimes when I'm doing something and I get all these hiccups like this, I just know that this is not for me. Like, I already knew not to trust them, but I just said I need a cheap insurance, and these people are the only ones offering me cheap insurance. So I just said, let me continue with them. So now the device arrived, and I connected the device to my vehicle and, connected it with the app and all of that, and everything was good. Everything was rosy. I was on the app. If you drive really good, you get good high percentage. But if you go below 30%, then they will cancel the policy. So at first I was getting like 99%, 100%, 94%, 95%. It was all good. Yeah. But the problem is, if somebody else drives the vehicle, it will keep on reading that you're the one driving. So you have to indicate that you're the passenger or you're the driver. You have to indicate on the app. So sometimes my husband will drive the vehicle, and if I forget to change that whole thing, it would read whatever the driver, scored really, and then to say I'm the one that, scored it. So a few times, my husband traveled to like London with the vehicle, different places, Western Supermare. So I now noticed that when I tried to change it to passenger, the app was not now working anymore. It was just like, when something is booting and booting and booting, it was just booting. So the first day I just left it, that, okay, fine, that's, it worked later. So the next day I tried it again, it was still booting. So I had to call Hastings Direct and tell them that, listen, this thing is not working. What is going on? Have I been blocked or something? And then they told me that they've cancelled my policy. Just like that. No warning, nothing. They just told me that they've cancelled my policy. And I was fed up of these guys. I was like, why did you cancel my policy? They said, oh, because I didn't drive good, So they basically recorded my husband's driving as my driving, and maybe some things that he had done when he was driving, they recorded it as mine, and they just went straight, marked me down, and just cancelled it without even letting me know. So I was already tired, of them. I just knew that these people are not the right insurance company for me. So I chased them about it, and they just told me, oh, they're sorry, they're underwriters, cancel the policy, there's nothing they can do. I asked to speak to a manager. They said there's really nothing the manager can do. That is something that the underwriters have cancelled, and that is just that. So I was so disappointed. I was like, why would these people... I was so disappointed. I was like, why would these people just cancel this thing? without giving me a warning. It was just as if they just wanted my money, and they didn't even want to insure a learner in the first place. They just wanted quick money and then bounce the person quickly. That is how I imagined it to be. So yeah, if you want your insurance company to track your vehicle, please don't do that. Do not let any insurance company track your vehicle, because if somebody else is driving your car and they make any mistakes whilst driving your car, the insurance company is going to mark you down and they'll cancel the policy, and it's going to be a headache for you. Because what these insurance companies do is like Hastings Direct, they have other insurance companies as well. Like for example, People Choice is owned by Hastings Direct. There's another one, Insure Pink, is also owned by Hastings Direct. I don't even know. Maybe they've got other ones like Day Insure, Vago, and all of that, but they're all connected. So whatever the underwriter has put on your file, it will affect you from getting insurance elsewhere. So they are all connected in a funny way, which is annoying. So yeah, I couldn't get insurance from Insure Pink or People Choice because they're all part of Hastings Direct. So I was on the hunt again for another insurance company. Mind you, I had done 2 months payment with Hastings Direct. So that was, terrible. Before the second month, it was cancelled again. So Hastings Direct was just giving me bad vibes. I wouldn't advise anybody to go with Hastings Direct. They're just crap. So the next, I had to go back to Money Supermarket to find new deals on there. And what I got was Marshmallow. So Marshmallow was the insurance company that offered me the cheapest one after Hastings Direct. So with Marshmallow, I had to pay £290 deposit, and then for every other month I'm going to have to pay £150 per month. So it was quite similar to Hastings Direct, but Marshmallow is a more trendy brand. The website is nice. It's strictly online company. So yeah, they also have an app as well. So I went through all of my details. I passed. They insured me. Another good tip is don't do same day insurance. Don't do insurance that your insurance will start on today, like today. Don't let your insurance start today, because your price will be high. Give it a week or 2 weeks and then you get cheaper rates. So what I did was I booked for a week for my insurance to start, and that's when I got the £150 deal. But when I tried to make like today's for my insurance to start, it was like £190 per month. So try to start your insurance within a week later. Yeah, so I booked with Marshmallow Insurance, and I absolutely loved the whole thing. It was smooth and easy. I downloaded the app. By the time I put in my ID details, they were able to pass me, and they accepted, they approved. Marshmallow also has a way of tracking on the app, but I didn't choose that one. That one was way cheaper. That one was about £140 for them to track you and give you discounts if you do good driving. But I didn't want any more tracking. I just chose the one that was £150 without tracking and without discounts. I'm okay with that. So yeah, go for anything that doesn't have any tracking. Just save yourself the headache, because if you make a mistake, is prone to mistakes. You could drive one day and then you brake in a funny way, and then it will mark you down, and then they will cancel the policy. So you don't want that stress. So just go with something that doesn't have any tracking, and try to have no claims. When you just do it for a year, try to have no claims, so that you can build up your no claims discount, so that at least as the years go by, you get discounts on your insurance. So yeah, just try to drive safe and drive well, and try to build your no claims discount. So yeah, that is how I started with Marshmallow Insurance, and I absolutely love Marshmallow. I'm not sponsored to talk about them, but I just wanted to let you know, my challenge, insuring a vehicle that is not within the insurance group for learners. And again, I have the provisional driving license in the UK. So yeah, if you're in the same situation, just go for Marshmallow Insurance, save yourself the stress. Go through Money Supermarket, you'll get good deals on there, and start your insurance a week or two in the future. Don't start it today to get insurance today, except if you're desperate, because the insurance will be super high. So plan ahead of time to get cheaper rates, and good luck, really good luck. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. In my next video, I should tell you guys more about my vehicle and all of that. But yeah, I'm so excited. I'll keep you guys informed on the whole UK driving situation that I'm in right now. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. I post videos regularly, and I would love to have you join the family. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.